Okay guys, so let's move that how we can integrate Stripe or any other payment method inside our GoHi level, and we can use that in multiple cases and it will automatically get spread overall in GHL, so that you can use that in your websites, in your Gmails, in your invoices, anywhere you want. Okay, for that you have to simply move inside the payments. Right? Inside the payments you can see here integrations. You will simply click on it, and here you can see there are multiple types of payment methods, and as well as you can see that I integrated Stripe in my GHL account. But for you guys, let us move from scratch that how we can integrate it. And here is my test account. You can see you will simply click on it, connect, and after that, you first of all you have to verify your Gmail account, and then you can add your account numbers. Okay. And similarly, this is the same process for all other methods. Okay, and just you have to follow the instructions provided by GHL, and your account will automatically get added inside Google level. This is not a hard system. It is very easily and very you can say a common system for everyone to use it. Okay. And now what we have to do is that if you have to integrate PayPal, authorize NAT, NMI, and there are multiple more methods, and you can also search for more methods if you want. But basically, as we all know, that Stripe is one of the public and most useful Stripe method to get payment access. So I will prefer you guys as well to use Stripe account. So this is all from my side, that how you can integrate Stripe account. Thank you. Bye bye. Let's see you in our next video.